Next we have, oh my gosh, that ended up in my trash can. Hey, how's it going? It's Cali T here, and look what finally showed itself up. Loot Anime. Yeah, when I was getting these boxes, like I would get them like every month or so, and now these two have arrived roughly around the same time. So I'm like, Loot Anime, what you doing? What you doing? Nevertheless, we're gonna open up these bad boys and see what they have in store. This one is a Brave theme, and then the one on the bottom, which is like much bigger, is Quirky. So actually, these might be interesting, but you know, as always, we'll see. Without further ado, let's get started. I got it open. As always, take a first look. La, da, 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 da. Anything good? Anything good? Oh, it's just a shirt. So let's get to it. First thing that's just up and poppin' is this Evangelion.
Jellian? I don't know. I've never seen this anime. But
it looks great. Look at it. It's kind of cute. I like this purple. I don't think I've ever had a purple shirt from them. And the design is super nice. It feels great. The quality of the print is okay. You know, I don't like the crackle, but this might just crackle. It's a little thin. Other than that, good quality t-shirt. Smells new. Very new. Next we have, oh my gosh, that ended up in my trash can. We have a pin that is Overlord. It's pretty intricate, I must say. It's like super detailed, but it looks pretty cool nonetheless. Up next, we've got this backpack looking thing.
actually, it's not a backpack. What am I thinking?
Aw, it's 7 Deadly Sins. I know they have the show on Netflix, I just haven't watched it yet, but it looks pretty cool. I could like use this for, you know, grocery shopping, because, you know, you don't have your own bag here in California, you have to pay 10 cents. So look what's gonna be my new grocery bag. Yes. And now we have Classroom of the Elite. No. Oh, Assassination Classroom. Aha. They have some of the classmates on here on actually each side of the lanyard, so that's pretty awesome. And this lanyard's pretty thick. Like, look at that. Some quality there. And now we have a fairy tale manga, and it says Rhodonite. This seems to be an official fairy tale spin-off about this character. Maybe I can read it and then I'll be interested in fairy tale. You know what I mean? Is this dude your favorite character? Let a girl know. And the last thing in this box is Assassination Classroom. Oh, it looks like it's gonna be a class photo. Let's see. Oh, and what do you know? It is! Mr. Koro Sensei is doing his thing, teaching his classmates, you know? It's actually a really, really good show. Like, highly recommend. Now, we're gonna move on to Quirky! Let's do this. Box open!
And I just literally closed it back up.
There we go. Alright, as always, first peek. See anything interesting? Something definitely just fell out. So let's see what we got. First thing that fell, oh, this is that Pop Epic. There we go. I knew it was gonna come to me. You know, it just takes a minute. But this is a nice box. I like this box. The first thing that like literally fell out of the box was this pin, and it is
Delicious Dungeon? What? Is this a knight that cooks? What? Is this really a thing?
Kitchen Princess ideas? I've never heard of this. Have you? Look at this pan. Look at this pan. This knight is cooking some delicious food. Oh my goodness. This pen is nice. Have you read this? I've never even heard of it before. If you've read it, let me know in the comment section below. Next in this box, we have a lovely t-shirt. Oh, it's Pop Team Epic. Look, I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped already.
Ooh, is this light blue? Look at it. It is so beautiful.
And now we've got this big pillow. Oh, it's that comedy one. I don't know what it's called, but I know it's like some girl with like blue hair. But this pillow is so cute and it's pretty soft. It's just a decorative pillow, but this is nice. And all the characters are like bite-sized pixels. It's so cute. Next in this lovely box we have, oh no. Is this like a handkerchief of this dude? My dude? I have no words. No words. This is by far the quirkiest thing in this box. Now we have Bakano. You know, I have never seen this anime, but I hear only good things about it. I think it's by the same people who do Durarara. I love the scent of fresh books. Like, have you ever been to a bookstore and just smelled a fresh printed book? Ugh, there's just nothing like it.
No, just me? Okay.
And the last thing that is in our box today, it is the Konosuba people. Yeah! It's a nice poster nonetheless. This print though looks a bit pixelated. Like, have you ever taken like an image out of something and you've just like blown it up and so then you can like see all like little pixel stuff? Yeah, this one has like a ton of that in there, but it's not bad. I'll give it that. It's not bad, but it's not all that great. And that's it for my Loot Anime unboxing. I think my favorite item out of all this stuff has to be like the pillow and like the Bakano manga. And my favorite box was definitely the Quirky box. Like, I don't know what it was. It was fun to open. But I am kind of at that point where it's like, oh, a lot of this stuff is really, really cool. It's just that it doesn't seem like how they like advertise it, because I think it's like they say that each box is worth like $60 or something like that. But it doesn't seem like the items in here are worth that much. Maybe in retrospect, like get a manga, get a pillow, maybe you're at 20 there. Overall, I think each box has like a practical use to it, so as a Loot Animator, I appreciate that they put those items in there. And that's a wrap for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. As always, what are some of the items that you liked in these boxes? Please let me know in the comment section below. And stay tuned for more anime and otaku-esque stuff coming your way. And hey, if you like this video, please let me know by commenting, liking, and subscribing. And that's it for me. Thank you again for sharing a part of your day with me, and hope the rest of your day is magical. Until next time! Can't open this up. Get me. Do you see this?